Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad. This is the Firefighters Financial Toolbox. I want to take advantage of what's a sunny day out today and do a quick video on what I think are the three biggest mistakes people make when saving money. Number one is simple. They don't make it a priority. You guys, people put off, they know they need to save money and they tell themselves, oh, well, I'm going to pay my bills and then whatever's left over I'll save. Here's the problem with that theory. There's never any left over. You will spend every penny you make if you don't make it a priority. I want you to save first, spend second. How do you do that? Have some money taken out of your check, put aside. Number two is prioritizing your savings. People do not prioritize their savings. What do I mean by that? I mean, for example, everybody knows you need to have an emergency fund because bad things happen. And ideally, emergency fund is 3 to 6 months of your expenses, right? Well, for somebody just starting out, that is a huge amount of money to save. You guys, I want you to start with saving enough to cover an emergency, to cover getting hurt and having to pay a copay at an ER, and then work to save towards your emergency fund. And again, that's 3 to 6 months of your expenses. But your expenses, when we talk about expenses, I mean your bare minimums, you guys. I'm talking your rent, your car payment, your insurance, food, things you need to survive, not luxuries. Second thing I want you to think about is if you have some short-term or long-term goals. And what I mean by that is if you're saving, for example, for a down payment for a house, or you're saving to buy a new car. You know you have a certain amount of money that you're going to save in a certain time frame. Let's say with a down payment on a house. Let's say you want to save $15,000 for a house down payment. It may take you 3 years. Once you get that emergency fund funded, move on to that. Third thing I want to talk about is retirement savings, you guys. And we all know we need to save for retirement. And if you're young, you're probably thinking, dude, that's so far away, I don't even have to worry about it. Here's the thing. The earlier you start, the smaller the amount you can put away, and it will grow over time. If you put that off too long, like I did, you're gonna end up saving a lot more in your late years. The third big mistake people make is simple. They don't save enough. Okay, so once upon a time they told us save 10% of your income and you'll end up okay. You guys, those times are gone. 10 should be a bare minimum starting point. Now, when I say that, I realize if you're just starting out, you're saving for an emergency fund, maybe you're saving for a new car or whatever, plus you're saving for retirement. If that's the case, you guys, you're gonna have to do more than that. But I want you to start with what you can as early as you can. And then, here's the thing, let's say next year you get a 2% raise. But if you're still making your bills, you guys, take that 2% and add it to what you're saving. Have them added to whatever you're taking out before you get paid, because then it's already gone. You won't miss it. Biggest mistakes people make. Number one, they don't make it a priority. Number two, they don't prioritize what they're saving for. And number three, they don't save enough. You guys, we all have to save. I want you to save. I want you to do well. Thanks for looking. If you got something out of this, you guys, drop a like. You know the deal. Hit the red button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already there, ring the bell. You'll find out whenever I get a new video. All right, we'll see you. Bye.